All right, this is the Escort Max360. Rear sensor, front sensor, right on top. Buttons, all the way on top. Main screen, and arrows over here. All right, so now mount this Escort Max360 on Dodge Durango 2015. All right, first of all, you got to take this off, and also I'm using the original mount bracket, so it is very good on that one. You don't have to get the so expensive banded mount. So here is, you mount that one over here for a Dodge Durango. This is the cover, and I will show you in a bit how you get this cover off, because I tried to figure it out and I couldn't find a video on YouTube how to get this off. So right now is using the original mount over here, and it works perfectly. All right, this is the base right here, the base, and this is the original mount in the base. So I'll show you when I'm done with the wire, and it will look exactly like that, but closer to the mirror. Need this, and you also need this to get this off. So right now this goes over here like that, right? And these two clips goes in here, right there, one here and one in the other side over here. So what you do is you just pull it out and then down a little bit. Same thing over here on this side. But before you get to this part, you gotta get this off first. This is easier. This is a lot easier than that one. So I had to figure out how to get this off, but I don't want to break it. So what I did was trying to find something on YouTube, and I couldn't. Not for Dodge Durango 2015. So right now you get this off a little bit. So what you do is just pull this one down, and then out, one side at a time. And here you go. This is how it looks like. See? And then this is the plug we're gonna use for mount the hot wire for Escort Max360. Found it. All right. This is the cable, hot wire cable, right there, right? So this over here came a little bit longer, like that. What I did was, because it's too thick to fit, just right behind, right there, on the ground and a positive. These two over here. Then the white goes on the black, and then red, of course, goes in the red over here on the right hand side. These two over here on the right. So what I had to do was cut these two and then grind or sand these two a little bit so it will fit in the same hole those two are right there, right? And I will show you as soon as I get this plug in. So once again, here you go. You can see the back of a see. And then also this plug, in order to get this plug off the mirror right there on the back, let me show you real quick so you can see that too. All right, so the cable, the plug, in order to get this plug out, you got to push this clip over here. Let me try to do this with the camera on my hand. I got a GoPro Hero 5 on my hand. So what you do is you pull this in and then trying to pull it out. So you pull this off like that. So you stick that flat screwdriver in there like that, and then you'll be able to get that off. So I was trying to figure out how to get this plug out of this over here, because I couldn't find anything on YouTube, so I'll figure out myself. So it will go like that, and then this is how you do it. So you do this, push it in, up and out, and it will come off. All right, so now let's go ahead and put everything all together. Get the cable on the back over here, get the cables in there, and hopefully it works. All right.